What is that?
The printed price of an article is 50,000.
MRP is 50,000, right?
The wholesaler allows a discount of 10% to the shopkeeper.
Wholesaler retailer
Consumer.
and customer. Is this so?
Yes.
Okay. So 50,000 rupees है. He is allowing discount of how much?
10%.
Discount of 10%. So it becomes 50,000 into 10 upon 100. It becomes 5,000. So SP is equal to 50,000 minus 5,000 becomes 45,000. Right? So this is the SP. Now tax GST kitna? How much GST is there?
18%.
18% GST. Right? So tax amount is equal to 45,000 into 18 upon 100. Five times 18 becomes 90. So 9 here or 8 9. 4 times 18 becomes 72. Right? 72 and 9
18.
81. 81. This is the tax amount, right? So total paid by this is input GST. Input GST, and for him it is output GST, output tax. That is 8,100. So total money he received 0, 0, 1, 13, 53,100. Right? 53,100 he received, or retailer paid 53,100. Retailer paid. Up, what it is saying? What next is?
The shopkeeper sells the article to the consumer at 4% above the mark price.
Oh, good. So new MRP is equal to 50,000 into 4%, no?
Yes.
it becomes 2000. So it becomes 50,000 plus 2,000 will give you 52,000, right? Then this is the new MRP. He sold on it to the customer.
FCSR interest rate and the rate of interest is 18%.
No discount. So tax amount by customer so 52,000 into 18%, no?
Yes.
So this is, so we get 520 into 18, 0, 80, 2 times 18 becomes 36, we get 6, 3 here, 93, 5 times 18 becomes 90 and 3, 93, so 9,360. This is output tax for him. Output tax is 9,360 and customer paid total cost price to customer is equal to 52,000 and 9,360. So it is 0, 6, 3, 1, 1 and 1. 61,360 rupees is the cost price for customer, right? And this is tax liability of retailer. Tax liability of retailer, that is output tax minus input tax, that is equal to 9,360 minus 8,100, right? So it is how much? If I write here 100 0621, this is 1260 rupees is tax liability of retailer. So this whole transaction is interstate or intrastate?
Intrastate.
Huh?
Intrastate.
Transaction is intrastate. Transaction is intrastate. Right? So half of it is. So what are the questions you have? Half will go to, इसमें से retailer will pay CGST 630, SGST 630, right? So what is your question?
The amount in shopkeeper pays for the article under GST.
So that is 81. This is 53,100 rupees.
The amount paid by the consumer.
This is answer number 1. Huh?
The amount paid by the consumer for the article.
This is 61,300. This is answer number 2.
The amount of tax under GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government.
That is, this is 630 rupees.
Yes.
This is answer number 3.
The amount of tax under GST received by the state government.
That is also the same.
No,
6.
sir.
Huh?
4,680.
Huh?
Sorry. 4,680.
What you are saying, by the way?
The amount of tax under GST received by the state government.
Here is tax. This is input tax. Now it is output tax. He is getting output tax. This output tax is 8,100. So when you make a half of it, then it is
4,050.
CGST is equal to 4,050 and SGST is 4,050 and here it is, right? So when you add these two, then you get 4,050 plus 630 becomes 4,680 is tax received by state government. Is this so? How much it is coming?
Yes, 4,680.
So they are taking it in consideration like this, right? Oh my god. Anyway. So do you understand? So which answer you was not getting?
So, third and fourth.
Third one. This one. And this.
Calculation.
ठीक है वो actually here you have to think ना कि central government and state government is paying interest rate है then it will be divided. He is paying tax 8,100 and half of that is 4,050. That will be added with 630 and you get 4,680 rupees as a tax. Okay. What next? What you are doing?
19 गलत आ रहा है।
अच्छा. What wrong you have? तुम्हारा फिर क्या है इसके बाद?
Second question.
Second?
Yes.
Yeah, you are saying fifth.
Fifth question or second question.
Fifth you can do.
Sir, fifth question.
This was fifth. So you want to ask fourth?
No, sir. The second.
Second. Okay. This we have done on that day, man.
No sir, 19 we have not done. 18th किया था, 19 छोड़ दिया तो 20.
Determine the rate of interest sum that becomes. एक मिनट हाँ. Just note down the data given for the question number 2, which you want to ask, and that you read for me. Just नोट डाउन द डेटा. तुम बोलो क्या कह रहे हो?
Sir, determine the rate of interest.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर
19.
19 क्या है?
Determine the rate of interest
हाँ,
for a sum that becomes
sum that becomes
216 upon 125
216
upon 125
times
of itself in one whole 1 upon 2 years.
itself in
1 whole 1 upon 2 years.
one whole
1 upon 2 years.
1 upon 2 years,
Compounded semi-annually.
compounded
Semi-annually.
semi-annually. This is
Yes, sir.
okay. Now let principal be x. So amount is equal to principal bracket 1 plus r upon 200 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So this is, so amount becomes 2016 upon 125 times of x. So it is 2016 upon 125 x is equal to x bracket 1 plus r upon 200 raised to the power 3. Right, this x and x is cancelled out. Taking cube root both side, right, you will get, this is 6 upon 5, right, is equal to 1 plus r upon 200, right. This will go on the other side. So 6 upon 5 minus 1 is equal to r upon 200, right. So it becomes 6 minus 5 upon 5 is equal to r upon 200. So it becomes 40. So rate percent is equal to 40%. What is your answer?
So 40%.
You get this? So why you are not able to get? Now you can do it, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तुम बोलो. Should I go?
Yes, sir.
आजा. Now, you speak.
Shopkeeper buys.
Question number 2.
Yes.
हाँ, बोलो.
Shopkeeper buys a camera at 20% discount from wholesaler.
Camera at 20% discount on from wholesaler, है ना?
Yes.
Discount. So we take here wholesaler, then retailer, and then we have
Customer.
customer. Yes, you tell me what. Now,
The
he is, so what is the MRP?
1600. 1600.
MRP is equal to 1600.
The shopkeeper sells it to the consumer and
एक मिनट. So, SP is equal to 1600 bracket 1 minus 20 upon 100, right? It becomes 5. 1600 into 4 upon 5, it becomes 320. So 0. This is right. This is the cost price SP. This is the CP of retailer is 1280, right? So how much GST is there?
12%.
12% GST. Tax is 12%, right? So how much? So tax amount is equal to 1280 into 12 upon 100, right? So कितना हुआ? This is 12 8 are 96. We get 9. 12 to 2 are 24. 9. 33. We get 3. 3. 12 time 1 time 12 become 12. 315 upon 10. 153.60 is tax, right? He paid. This is output tax. Output tax. Then he received 153.60. So this is coming 6, 3, 1, 4. Total amount paid by retailer is 1433.6, right? This is output GST. Now what about customer?
The shopkeeper sells to the consumer at the printed price.
Printed price. So CP for customer is 1600. Tax amount is 1600 into 12%. 2 zeros gone. 6 times 12 becomes 72. 2 and 7 here. 1 time 12 becomes 12 and 7 9. 192 rupees. 192 rupees tax he paid. So that is output. No, sorry. This is input GST. Input GST, input tax for retailer, and this is output for, this is output for as it is in a column of wholesaler. So it is wholesaler के लिए output tax है. This is input tax and this is output tax for him. Output tax, right? Output tax is this. So total CP, cost price of is 1600 plus 192 becomes 2971. This is the total cost price of customer, and total tax and tax liability of retailer, tax liability of retailer is equal to how much? So output tax minus input tax. So that is 192 minus 153.6. So how much we get? 192 and 153.6.0 here. We take 1 borrow from here 1, it is 4. 0.1 borrow from here, it is 8, it is 11 minus 3 becomes 8, 8, 5. Hey, 8 minus 5 becomes 3. So this is 38.4 rupees, 38.4, and half of it SGST is equal to 19.20, and this is CGST 19.20. What do you say? Ma, what is your answer?
GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government.
Shopkeeper paid to the central government. Means 19 rupees 20 paisa? Okay.
GST received by central government.
GST received by central government. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? $153.6 इसका SGST कितनी हुई? SGST कितनी हो गई? 7,6.8. इसकी भी हो गई. और CGST 76.8. अब टोटल क्या पूछा है?
GST received by central government.
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पूछा गया था कि पहले भी, मतलब इन फर्स्ट
फर्स्ट में भी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पूछा था, सेकंड में भी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट.
टोटल ना?
यस.
So total, that is 76.8 and 19.2. So it is 0, 1, 16, 96 rupees.
Yes.
Total SCGST. Total CGST. Now,
GST received by state government.
huh?
GST received by state government.
That is this. You know this? 19 rupees 20 paisa.
No, sir, 96.
And what about central government?
96.
No, what do you ask?
So, third part or second part?
Third part.
GST received by state government.
तो स्टेट तो सेम होगा ना, मतलब टोटल जीएसटी जो मिली स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को, टोटल टैक्स to state government. Right? तो होलसेलर SGST कितना हुआ? 76 रुपीज 80 पैसा, और रिटेलर SGST कितना हुआ? 19 रुपीज 20 पैसा. So when you add this, you will get 0.61. 9 plus 6 become 15, 116, 1 carry, it's 296. So rupees 96. So total SGST is 96 rupees. No issue. What else?
The amount at which the consumer brought the camera.
So that is 1792 rupees. You get it? So all you have done?
Yes.
Okay. That is okay. All questions you have done?
Yes.
Okay. What about you?
2021.
What 21 man? There is a chapter test also. That you done?
Yes.
Would you like to do that?
Yes.
Try to do the first one. Okay. What about you?
21st.
What is 21st?
So a certain sum amounts to rupees 5,292.
कौन सा?
21.
19 के बाद you are not able to do anything.
21.
What do you know?
A certain sum.
Question number
21.
21. What is that?
A certain sum amounts to
Certain sum
amounts to rupees 5,292.
Rupees 5,292
in 2 years.
in 2 years.
And 2 rupees.
And
2 rupees. 5,556.
Question number 21. What you are saying? And
2 rupees.
2 rupees?
TO.
And 2
And 2 rupees. 5,556.
556.60
0.60 in 3 years.
in 3 years.
At compound interest,
In 3 years, compound interest,
find the rate and the sum.
compound interest,
Find the rate and the sum.
compounded annually, right?
Yes, sir.
Annually, fine. So what we have, there is a formula. Rate of interest is equal to amount of third year minus amount of second year upon amount of second year into 100 upon time percent. This is the formula we have. We can have here rate of interest is equal to CI 3 minus CI 2 upon CI2 into 100 upon T%. Right? So if I go there for this, so rate of interest is equal to what is 5,556.60 minus 5,292 upon 5,292 into 100 upon 1%. 1 year है ना?
Yes.
Time is 1 year difference, so that is 1. So when you subtract it, 5556.6 and 5292.0, so 0,
So cancel no.
subtract.
Sorry.
First we take 6, now 4, we have taken 4, 1 here, 15 minus 6, 2, 246.5, right? So we get here 264.6 upon 5292 into 100%. We remove this one, take 0 here, right? And this is how much? This 0 and this 0 is cancelled out, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? And when you multiply this by 2, then you get, when you multiply this, you will get 2 times 2 times 6 becomes 12, we get 1, 2 times 4 becomes 8, 1, 9, 2 times 6 becomes 12, 1, 2 times 2 becomes 4, 1, 5. 2 times it is, right? So it is 1 time, it is 2 times. 2 times becomes 5. So rate of interest is equal to 5%. Rate of interest is 5%, and now in 2 years he is getting this much amount now. So 5292 is equal to P bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to the power 2. This is 5, 20, 20, so 5 to 92 is equal to P bracket into 441 upon 400, right? So principal is equal to 5292 into 441 upon 400, right?
Yes, sir.
You get this? Can you do the calculation? Give me that calculator, please. Five two nine two multiplied 441. Oh no, sorry. Cross multiply will take place now. So 400 will come here and 41 will go here. So there is 400. I was having them in my mind, but somehow I make it like this. So this is like 5292 divided by 441. This is 12. 12 times. This is 12 times, right? It will come 12. And 12, 4 times 12 becomes 48. So rupees 4,800 was the principal. Right? So principal is rupees 4,800 and rate of interest is 5%. You get your answer?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
This much.